back, everyone. It's your boy William back for another video. This time we'll be replacing the battery on an iPhone 6. The customer didn't want to change the front glass, so he's just worried about the battery. So we're just gonna do the battery even though the phone is cracked. Anyway, just remove the two bottom screws all the way at the bottom, and then use like razor blade like I did to open the LCD screen. This one has been opened before, so that's why it's pretty easy to just remove it the second time. Two screws holding the battery connector to the motherboard, just remove those. So this is gonna be a really fast video and really easy. All you need is the Phillips screwdriver. Remove these two screws, and since the battery also had been replaced before, it's gonna be easy to remove it. Since this battery was already replaced, it doesn't have the original glue that Apple manufactures the phone, so it's very easy to lift. Just cleaning here some of the glue that's left over from the old battery. I'm not gonna be using like this type of glue. I'm gonna be using double-sided tape, which to me is faster, easier to remove, less messy. So here it is, and I don't like to put a lot of this double-sided tape because whoever does repairing on this phone the next time will have a hard time removing the adhesives if I put too many of them. So this little piece is fine. It's enough to hold the battery in place. And this battery also is not like an original battery, but it's at high quality. The battery itself cost me around $18, and yeah, just make sure everything's tight, everything's snaps on. It has to make like a click sound when you put it on. So yeah, once you realize it's nice and tight, just go ahead and put back the two screws that you removed. Again, this battery cost me around $18. Customer was charged $40 for the battery. That leaves us a $22 profit for an easy job that takes about 5 minutes. Is not bad. Yeah. So yeah, once you put these two screws and the battery has double-sided tape, it's good to seal now. Yep, just testing. It turns on good. Close all the corners. And last but not least, the two screws on the bottom that hold the LCD in place. Don't forget those. This you need the pentalobe screwdriver, which is a special screwdriver. And there you have it. Everything is good. I don't know the password for this phone, but the customer will be back soon to pick it up. It only takes about 20 minutes or even less, as you realized. So he left the $40, which we charged. And that's it. It's pretty easy. So like the video if you like it. I'll be posting more. And subscribe.